Welcome back to CAD application class. Let's try to draw the screw of this V-block assembly. Let's go to SolidWorks. Let's open a new file. New, we will call it as part. Now let me go to Smart Sketch. Sketch, I will select different plane. Now I will draw a line from here. You see here I am drawing this line. The knob is having a bigger diameter, so let me draw it little big. Complete. So now let's try to fix the dimensions. What are the dimensions? This is 76, this is 6, this is 16. Let's try to fix this. From here to here it is 76, and then from here to here it is 6, from here to here it is 16. Then I have from here to here it is 1.5. It's a small groove actually. 1.5. Okay, so I have this one. Now the diameter of this knob is 22, so half of it will be how much? 11. He is going to M12 is the thread, that is nominal diameter of the thread is 12, so the diameter will be 6. And then here in the bottom he says it is M10, that is it's from here to here the diameter is how much? 10. 10 means radius is 5. Here he says the diameter is 9, so the radius is 4.5. Now our figure is completely defined now. Okay, so now what we will do, we will go to features, revolve boss base command. I will select this one as the axis. You see 360 degrees it has done it. I will close. So my screw structure is completely ready now. So what I will do now, I will go to the front plane. I will keep it here. Then I will just go to the front plane. I will try to edit. Why? I am going to draw a circle over here because there is a hole. The diameter of the circle is how much? The diameter of the circle is 3. How far it is located? It is located 8 millimeter from top. So I have to draw this one from here to here. It is how much? 8 millimeters. Okay. Then this point, shift this one, they should be in same line. Now my picture is well defined now. See there, it is exactly in the middle. So now I will go to features. I will say extruded cut. It is showing me only one direction. I will make it through wall on both sides. So it will cut on both sides. See there, I have got a hole there. Okay. So now what is left for me? For me, the items left is to draw a knurl here and then draw the thread over here. Let's try to draw the knurl over here. Let me go select the surface, make it normal. Now what I will do, I will just go make edit. When I say edit, I will just convert entities so that I have this circle over here. Now having converted the entities, I will go to features. Now what I will do, I will select helix or spiral. See there, it has already selected helix or spiral. I will select height and pitch. This is the better thing. What is the height? My height of this knob is how much? 16. Let me keep it 20, it doesn't matter. So I have 20 here. So pitch, let us say if I take it as 10, what happens? Just see there, you have many revolutions. Okay, so what I will have it as 80 so that I will not have more than quarter of a revolution. Now from where it is starting, let me just go back. It is starting at what point? It's starting at this point, isn't it? So what is the angle? The angle is 0 over here. That's fine. I can start from here, or even I can put it as 90. If I put it as 90, it will start from where? It is starting from this point. See here, it is starting from this point and it is going like this. Okay, so I will say yes. So now I have my spiral ready, helical curve is ready. Now what I will do now, I will just go select this face, I will make edit, I will just go draw one center line. From here I will just draw a center line to this point, enter. Okay, I am not drawing a solid line because it will be used later in all our operations. So now I will just go take this 3-point rectangle, first point somewhere, I will do it here, just draw a rectangle, that's it. Okay, so it is knurling. So I am showing you how to do typical knurling. Okay, let me just hold this one, pull it down to be on this line somewhere here. Okay, now what else is there? I can just push it little bit inside. I have it here. Let me select the dimension. I am only showing you typical. So 1 mm it will cut inside almost. This portion will not cut, it will be outside. Only this portion will be cut in the material. Right. So now I have finished it. I will exit out of this sketch now. See here on the right side, I exited, it became blue color. Now still on the left side you can see I am highlighted on sketch number 4, which is under this helix per spiral. Now what I will do, I will just go to swept cut. Where is that? Yes, swept cut. But the moment I select it, already it has selected sketch 4. See here, it has selected profile of sketch 4. Now I need to select the path. Where is the path? My path is here. Just I'll go and select here. See, the moment I select the path, it has already cut it. See there? Nicely it has cut. It has gone outside, no problem. So I will say okay, done. Now I already cut the groove. See there, there is a groove there. Okay, so now what I will do is I will just try to make this cut sweep. I will try to make it into a circular pattern. See, circular pattern. I select how many pieces? 40 pieces I will do. I want the direction. Select this as a direction. See there, it has already cut it. I will say okay. So a lot of graphics is involved, so some time it will take. See there, it has already cut it nicely. Okay, so what is the next job for me? The next job for me is to make a mirror for this one, understand? Because I need to make the knurl, so the knurl should be even in the opposite direction, correct? See here, so it is cutting like this. I want to cut it this way. Now what I will do is I will just go, let it be on this one circular pattern only. I will just go this, you see 3D mirror is there, click on this one. The moment you click on this one, now I need to select the plane because it's a 3D mirror. Just go click here, come here, this plane, this plane, this plane, any plane you want to select, you can select it. Let me select this plane. Okay, I have selected this plane. Now it has already done the mirror in the opposite direction. See here, it is cutting in the other directions. I will say yes. Since a lot of graphics is there, it will take some time. It will take some time. You have to just wait patiently. If your computer is not having enough memory and if it is not fast, you will not be able to, you will face a lot of trouble. It will take much more time. Okay. See, beautifully it has done the knurling. See there? So why we use knurling? We use knurling to have a grip when we are turning this screw. So now what is the next job? The next job is to create a thread here. It is M12 1.75 is the pitch. Now let me go to Hole Wizard, open it. I have thread, click on thread, nominal threads it says. Now select where you want to do it. I want to do it on this line. Okay, I selected it because up to selection I have said. What happened? thread location. It's doing the work. It's a lot of graphics is there, it takes time. Let me just hold, see here, like that. The system is hanging. It has taken edge 1 now. Okay, so thread location I did it up to selection. See here, if I say blind, it will simply do like this. I will just go and say up to selection. Why? Because I want up to this end, up to this point. Okay, up to this point. Understand? See there, it has already done it. Now I should use metric die. Here you have metric die, metric tap, and then inch tap and inch die, because you are cutting the thread on the outside. So I have to select metric die. I have selected from here M12 into 1.75. You can see diameter, nominal diameter is 12, which is 1.75. I have to cut the thread. Let me make trim with the beginning, trim with the end. Okay, now it will end abruptly here. You can see here. I will close it. Let it cut the thread first. Lot of work it is doing, lot of calculations. If I move it, it will say computer is busy. See that? Wait for a command to finish. Recommended. The system is hanging. I think I need to wait for a minute. Now see, he did it. Now if I turn over here and see, the thread is abruptly ending, isn't it? First let me save the work, because if I don't save I will be in trouble. Save as, I will save it as SCREW screw. I will save it, rebuild and save the document. Now what I have to do, see here, I have this cut here. I don't need this. I will just go back to thread. I will edit it by doing a little bit of offset. I think I need to restart the computer. See there, it's taking a lot of time. It came. Now see here, I will do offset. I will do offset by how much? Let us say I will do an offset by 3 millimeter, but I will do it in the opposite direction so that it comes out. Sorry. I will say OK. Now it's doing the work. Let it do its work. Let's not disturb it, otherwise again it will hang. It's already highlighted. If I just click here, see, it says wait recommend. When you are watching the video, this portion you can just fast forward wherever we are waiting. Now it's finishing, because first we finished this one, knurling, so that's why redoing everything takes time. Now see here, it is done perfectly okay. So this is the front, this is the back. Let me just take it. Everything is ready with us. Let us save it. In the next video, let's learn how to do the assembly. Thank you for watching this.